What's going on, YouTube? So if you've been with the channel for a little bit now, you might have seen one of my first videos and on how to black out your skid plate. And in that video I said that I was doing this until I found a good aftermarket solution for a front bumper. And today I'm actually going to be showing you guys what we're going to be replacing the front bumper with. I've been looking at front bumpers basically since I got the truck. I think it's one of like the coolest appearance mods you could do is, you know, just doing like the steel off-road bumpers. I did it on my Jeep, so I've really wanted to do it on the Rebel as well. The truth is, there's just not very many aftermarket bumpers for that fit the Rebel. A regular Ram 1500, you know, has a different front grille, so it doesn't have the little D-rings as well, so, or tow hooks, whatever you want to call them. So you know, they don't really fit. You need to have a Rebel specific front bumper. So I'd say the one I liked the most out of all the aftermarket ones was the ADD, like the kind of like Baja looking bumper. But even so with that, I thought it was a little bit too busy for the Rebel. Then a lot of the other ones, like the body armor or road armor ones, they were just a little bit too bulky and stuck out like a good like 6 inches further than how the bumper is now. So I really kind of wanted to keep that low profile, but I think I found one. I'm gonna jump onto the computer and clear. But this is the bumper I decided to go with. It's an Innovative Creations front bumper. Let's get in there. See exactly which we purchased here. See, it's just for the regular Ram 1500 Baja front bumper. So this is it right here. It kind of looks a little bit like the ADD front bumper, but I think it's a little bit more streamlined. And you can see like these plates right here, they're actually removable. So it just has like the steel construction. It's not a cheap bumper. Don't get me wrong. It's about $1,600. But the reason I decided to go with this right now is that they're 40% off on their website. So I basically got the front bumper for almost $700 off and free shipping. So I just seized the opportunity and purchased and jumped on it. And hopefully we can get it, you know, looking good, because I think this with the Rebel, oh man, it's gonna look sick. I bought a bumper that's not built or designed for the Rebel. It's just built for a 1500. So I'm gonna have to do some modification to get it to fit 100% perfect. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use the tow hooks anymore. I don't know if I'm gonna have to trim like the grill a little bit, or maybe just kind of notch out the front bumper to get it to fit flush. But this is gonna be a project. It's never been done before, so if I can get this to work and it looks good, this could be a nice solution for you guys as well, and another selection on a front bumper. I couldn't get it delivered to my house. It was delivered by freight, so it's up at my parents' house about an hour north of here. So we're gonna jump in the Rebel, cruise up there, check out this bumper, and get started with this whole little retrofit project. All right, so here we are. Yeah, as you can see here, definitely a lot more room for activities. My parents more or less have garage goals right now. They got 2 massive, oversized 2-car garages, and here it is. Jeez, look at the size of this freaking box. Yep, that's why I had it delivered here and not to my tiny garage. Jeez. Yep, so as you can see right there, 09 to 17 Dodge Ram Baja bumper, not for a Rebel. This is gonna be fun. All right, how freaking big is this box? I'd say 8-9 feet across. Jeez, yeah, this is gonna be fun. All right, so I'm gonna try getting this open and we can kind of check this thing out and see what we're in for. Check out that Porsche. All right, so there she is. Let's pull this box off. You can have a good look at it. There's the skid plate, ICI logo, looks real nice. Got these nice little washers in here, those are pretty cool. Got the tube frame right there. See, these are removable right here, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna be just removing this piece and this piece here so you can see like the full tube frame behind it. And then it kind of has a little bar mount up there. You can mount lights. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this out of the box right now. I'm gonna get someone to come over and help me because this is a big bitch. So we're gonna pull it out, then go bring it over there by the Rebel so we can have a good look at it. So yeah, these are the mounting brackets in here that go on the little fascia piece underneath the headlights. Kinda, I'm assuming, kinda like that. Something along those lines, and that's how the bumper attaches on the side. And then the mounting points should be exactly the same, and then I'm just gonna have to see what we're gonna have to do up here. But here, let's take a look at the bumper. Pulled it out of the box in the sun now. Big old skid plate there. The bar at the front, and then you can see kind of has the mounting bracket behind it there. So you can, you know, kind of run different configurations of lights. And then mounting points that mount up onto the frame. So it's kind of in like this kind of textured finish, but I'm actually gonna get that powder coated gloss black, kind of add some metallic to it as well so it matches the stock finish on the truck. I think that'll look pretty cool. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I'm gonna keep this video kind of short. This was just a little bit of an unboxing. The next video, I'm gonna remove the front bumper, start fitting it up, and then start making any modifications that's needed to this bumper. Hopefully there's not going to be too many. I don't really want to start cutting up a $2,000 bumper, but we're gonna have to do what we got to do to make it fit. So if you like this video, drop me a like, I'd appreciate that. Stick around for more updates. See you later, guys.